Hi and welcome to the Music Production Handbook. I'm going to do a quick video about why you should be using VCAs over bus groupings. Previously, in older incarnations of the DAW, in order to group instruments, we'd have to use an auxiliary channel, and that was the only way we could do it, apart from if you had Pro Tools HD. Now, all of the major players have got the VCA channels. I'm just going to explain why very quickly as to the benefits of them. So previously, if we wanted to send signals to a bus, so I've got one set here going to a reverb. I'm just going to do it so it's pre-fader. So everything that happens means that, pre-fader basically means that the signal is being sent before it hits the faders. So if I hit the play on the drums, as you saw, when I pulled the faders down, we could still audibly hear the reverb because the send signal is still going to the bus. If I then make it so it's post fader, this means now the faders will govern how much signal is going to the reverb regardless of what I sent here. So now if I hit play, and you can hear the reverb dying with the drums. Now if I use the drum group which I've got set here, now listen to see what happens. So I've taken up my dry signal that I'm hearing, but the reverb is still being heard because it's still being sent because the faders here are still up. So later on when you're trying to adjust your mix, when you alter these, because maybe an imbalance of volumes between the drums and things like that later on, when you pull this down, it ruins the balance of the reverb versus the dry signal. So this is where we then use VCAs. Now, if I go here within Logic, Pro Tools has got it, Cubase has as well. If I go here and create a new VCA, creates a new channel here, and if I make that and call it drums, just so it's labeled, and you can see it's all populated there. When I press play now and alter it with this fader, listen to what happens. So the VCA is controlling all of it, including the sends, the channels that are going there, because all a VCA does is controls the audio, and then it's going to, so it's acting like a master fader for that group. I hope that's clarified things. Please keep watching and subscribing and following the Facebook page, and there'll be more tips and tricks coming soon. Cheers.